Hey my baby dolls, welcome back to another hair video. In today's video I am showing you guys Xrsbeauty Hair. This is a beautiful packaging, as you guys can see. I received a wig cap, a wide tooth comb, which I wish I would have used in a video, but y'all will see. I got a brush for the baby hairs and some flexi rods, which I will use in the near future. Glad I got these. So the unit I have here is a beautiful unit, y'all. It's so freaking soft right out of the packaging. Like, look at that. So this is 200 density, 18 inches long. Y'all, the lace on this wig is like what I was just so ready to install because it came pre-plucked. Do y'all see the lace, the quality? Pre-plucked lace. Like, I did not pluck a thing. This is the construction of the unit, and inside of the lace I did put a little bit of my foundation in there just so that everything can just blend seamlessly. This is the adhesive glue that I did use. Is by Ebon Glue. I got mine from my local beauty supply store. But here I am installing the unit, y'all. Like, I just was obsessed with the hair, the lace, the quality. Like, this hair looked like it already came in like layers, which I was kind of much going for. Like, I'm gonna cut it some more and, like, you know, layer it all up, but it gave like that layering look, which I was, you know, really going for, which I really wanted. So this is me installing the lace, and y'all, when I say the hair melted, and I did not pluck an ounce of this lace. It came exactly like this. A lot of wigs should come like this, y'all, because I hate plucking. But look at this lace, baby. Great quality. I believe this is HD. If it's not, baby, it's giving HD lace. I'll have everything, of course, listed in my description of this hair, but perfect length too. I love the 18 inches on me. Usually I go for a longer length, but this is giving grown woman. Okay, like I was telling you guys, as you guys can see, it looked like it came in layers already, but you guys are going to see me cut it up and layer it a little bit more, and I end up doing a deep part, which you guys can see. We love a deep part. Okay, love a deep part. But I was just obsessed with the lace. Like, I was so happy I did not have to pluck, baby. I'm so happy because I hate plucking. Okay, but this is me putting some layers into it now. I'm not a professional at layering hair, but one thing I will say is, please take your time when you're cutting your hair. Do not be in a rush, because if you do be in a rush, you will fuck up. Excuse my language, but you will ruin your whole wig, your whole hair. Okay, just take your time. And I kind of go in like that type of motion where I kind of like go up and down, because if I go straight, it wouldn't give me that layered look. Now look at this. Look at this hair, baby. Okay, y'all, so I lost footage of me literally curling the hair. Like, y'all saw me doing the layers, but I don't even know where the curling part has went. I didn't really do anything special, y'all. I just really just curled, and it gave, like, I think the layers gave it this look. Basically, that's the reason why I put layers in the hair. The hair kind of came like it was layered already, like kind of already like had that bodying type of layered feel to this hair. But overall, I didn't even have to do no baby hairs. I didn't do no baby hairs. As y'all can see, like, it's growing on my scalp. So yeah, that's the look I was going for. Kind of like a messy bed hair type of curl look, and it's really pretty. And I have it parted on the side, as y'all can see. But super soft hair. The quality is A1. The lace is great quality. I'm just constantly running my hands through it because it's just so freaking soft. I probably got to go over some parts though and curl again, because I'm just constantly running my hands through it, which is causing the curls to like drop a little bit. So I might need to stop doing that and spray it with some holding spray. So basically, my last thoughts on this hair, y'all, I really love it. Like, the quality is a 10 out of 10 for me. Like, I haven't had a good lace like this in a while. Like, I got good hair that gets sent to me, but this is top tier right here. Like, it's just something different. Let me know what y'all think down below. I love it. I have nothing bad to say. I'll see you baby dolls in my next video. Mwah. Bye.